Terracotta. Honor does. Mr. Terracotta. Good morning. I'm waiting for Didi to go to the railway station. Oh my god, even though I woke up early, I'm still late. I don't know what's going on.
Attention please. The doors are about to close.
Hey guys. I'm in my friend's house, finally. Got these. We're in Muji right now, just strolling around the mall in Mianyang. They have some nice stuff. Hey, again, it's me. I didn't film today much because I was with my friend and her mom, and we're just going around the city, so there wasn't much to film. Well, obviously the trip is starting tomorrow and we're going to Xi'an tomorrow, but for now my friend has something, so I'm going to this park slash river to see what's going on in there, just explore, because I've never been in the city before, so that'll be interesting. I slept 3 hours last night, and well, it's kind of my fault, but I wasn't feeling sleepy at all, so I would have just been in bed doing nothing, so I just stayed awake instead. And then to continue the story, because I moved places because there were some people walking by and I'm still shy at filming outside. So I then wake up trying to pack everything, get ready very fast to catch the train. I barely made it, so I was just running around in the railway station because I've never been to a train station here in China, so this was my first time. And I'm looking there because there is eagles. No, these are not eagles. What's the name of these birds? I don't know, but they are just flying around and I'm afraid they're gonna do something on me. So, but yeah, the scenery here is very beautiful. The water is very still. Look out, just so peaceful, and there is nobody. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some meditation in here, cleanse spiritually. What am I talking about? I don't know, but it's yeah, I'm feeling spiritual and calm and peaceful. And yeah, these are the birds I was talking about. I forgot their name. But this is such a beautiful place. Found a bench. This bench is the cleanest bench I've ever seen in my life. Today is the 2nd of January. This year is gonna be amazing. It has to be. I don't care. I'm very tired, so whatever I say from now on is not on me. You know, being a foreigner has its perks, such as you can be weirdo in public and nobody cares. But I still care. I still find it embarrassing. I don't think it's embarrassing. I mean, what am I even doing? I'm just filming myself. But it's still like you're talking to yourself. But actually I'm talking to you. But I need to shut up right now and enjoy my scenery. Just enjoying my life here in China. Bro, what's wrong with me? Okay, I must have lost it. Okay. In the station. We're not late. Does not show. It says still dark outside. I'm gonna take the metro now to the hotel. Where? Okay.
Hi, we're from Vogue. 72 questions, are you ready?
To my room. So this hotel is, I don't know, it's a hotel. It's better than we expected. So here we have, well, starting with a closet space, which doesn't have ropes. I don't know why. We have the place where I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Oh, yes, that's good. Then a shower. I love the marble tiles. Okay, now we move to the room. We have 2 beds because we are 2 people. And then we have the tea area here. Anyone want some tea? Okay. We have a big TV that we're not gonna use. And then a desk that we're probably not gonna use because we just finished the semester. And then the view. This is the nicest view I've ever had in a hotel. That's it. Today's fit is yesterday's fit because we're not overpacking. And why is my hair out there? The hair is hairing. I made it at like 6 a.m. but it's still good. So, and I have these sunglasses that I want to put like on like this, but there is no sun outside, so they're just an accessory for my hair. Yeah, so after this we're gonna go eat something and then we're gonna go see the Terracotta Warriors. It's cold, but it still tastes good. So we're taking a bus to the Terracotta and we're hoping we don't get kidnapped or anything because we're the only one in the bus. Yeah, sure.
大巴车从下午的2点钟到下午的6点钟循环发车，您再省一波啊！您跟着我听这个讲解就可以了。那么您那个兵马。
We made it, almost there. My nose is so red. If If anyone is interested, the Terracotta Warriors are this incredible collection of life-sized clay soldiers that were buried over 2,200 years ago with China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang. They were meant to protect him in the afterlife. What's crazy is that they're all unique. They have different facial expressions, armor details, and everything. There are thousands of them, along with horses and chariots, which shows how advanced the Qin dynasty was in terms of craftsmanship and military organization. They were discovered near Xi'an in 1974 and now is considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
There's a lot of people.
The first one.
Okay. The sun has honored us with its presence now, so we're not that freezing, but it's making me.
To get here, we took a bus from the city center with 30 yuan, which is around $4. It took us around an hour and a half to get there. The ticket price to enter the site is 120 yuan or 16 US dollars. But if you're a student in China, you just show your student ID or booklet and you can pay half the price. The site also has a museum and is surrounded by restaurants and shops. A lot of tour guides will try to sell you their tours, but honestly, you don't need them. The site has a lot of information board and you can just read them and you will get the information that you need about the site. Also, you can do your research before you get here like we did, so we didn't need to pay extra for the tours. So you be careful because they're very insistent and they will try to force you to buy the tours they offer.
Look how pretty this forest is. Look, it's Mr. Terracotta. I don't even know what his name is. We arrived in Huaxing Palace. I have no idea what this palace is for, but we want to take the cables to go up the mountains. So we'll see how that goes. We go. This corridor, even though we have the ticket.